Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss Whirlpool India. We will do detailed analysis of the company and we will see how much potential is available in Whirlpool India. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you will get regular update on value buying opportunity and you will learn how to do a detailed analysis of the stock and find out what is the potential available in those value buying opportunity. So let's start our discussion. Whirlpool of India Limited is one of the leading manufacturers and marketers of major home appliances in the country. As far as the product portfolio is concerned, company's product portfolio includes various types of refrigerators, washing machine, air conditioner, micro ovens, and built-in small appliances, etc. Now, as far as the revenue breakup is concerned, most of the revenue comes from the sales of the product, which accounts for 97% of the revenue, and only partial 3% of revenue comes from it sales of services. Although it catered to all over the globe, in FY21 only 5% of the revenue comes from the exports and 95% comes from the domestic sales in India. Now, as far as the manufacturing facilities is concerned, presently the company owns and operates 3 manufacturing facilities, and those manufacturing facilities are in Faridabad, Pune, and Puducherry. Recently in FY21, they have incurred 100 crores of capex in the capacity expansion of their one of the manufacturing facility, that is in Faridabad. In addition to these fundamentals and key points of the company, they have recently acquired Elica India in September 2021. So they already had a stake in Elica India, which was equivalent to 49%. But last year, they have increased their equity share and stake in Elica India with 38%. So the company has acquired additional 38% stake in Elica PV India Limited for the consideration of 425 crore, taking a total shareholding in Elica India to equivalent to 87%, as I already mentioned. So by doing this strategic acquisition, their product portfolio has been diversified now, because Elica India has presence in the kitchen appliances, and now these kitchen appliances comes in the portfolio of Whirlpool India. As far as total consolidated parent company sales is concerned, it reported sales of equivalent 19 billion USD in 2020 and has 57 manufacturing facilities across the globe. So this is all about the fundamentals of the company. Now let's analyze the financials of the company and see how this company has performed in last few years. So market capitalization of Whirlpool India is 19,887 crore and ROCE of company is 17.4. That is a good ROCE, and ROE is 12.5%. Promoter holdings in the company is up to the maximum limit, that is 75%. So again, that is a very good sign, and debt to equity is just 2%. So company is a debt-free company. Now, as far as the sales and profit of last 5 years is concerned, so sales growth in last 5 years stands at 11.4%. However, the profit has been decreased in last 5 years, and the current CAGR stands at 6.78%, only because in recent past, the inflation has been on the higher side, and also due to the semiconductor shortage globally, the profit margin has been decreased in recent past. As far as the quarterly result is concerned, so in March 2019, the revenue was 1355 crore. As on December 2021, the revenue stands at 1435 crore. In last 12 quarters, the company has shown a stagnant growth in terms of its revenue. As far as the net profit is concerned, that we have already seen in the last 3 quarters, the net profit has been decreased marginally, and in March 2021, the net profit was 124 crore, and as on December 2021, the net profit stands at 40. And this decrease in net profit is only because of the inflation and the incremental cost of the raw material for manufacturing these home appliances product and the global shortage of semiconductors. If you can see in the expenses, the material cost has been increased from 63% in December 2020 to 69% in December 2021. And because of this only, the operating profit and the net profit has been decreased in last 4 quarters. But once the situation will stabilize and the inflation will reduce, again it will pose the highest ever net profit in coming future. As far as the profit and loss statement is concerned, so again it has shown a consistent growth in terms of revenue and net profit. So in March 2010, the revenue was just 2,184 crore, and as on March 2021, the revenue stands at 5,900 crore. And if you can see the trailing 12 months of revenue, it stands at 6,162 crore. So Whirlpool India is a market leader in home appliances. It has shown a consistent growth in terms of revenue. Now, as far as the net profit is concerned, March 2010, the net profit was just 145 crore. As on March 2021, the net profit stands at 333 crore, which has reduced from 476 crore last year. So again, we have already discussed the reason for the decrease in the net profit, but these net profit will improve going forward with the stabilization of inflation and the semiconductor shortage, which all the manufacturers are currently facing. Now, as far as the balance sheet is concerned, we have already seen it is a debt-free company. Now, as far as the reserves is concerned, it has consistently improved their reserves. So in March 2010, the reserves was just 87 crore. And as on September 2021, the reserve stands at 2,737 crore. So they have multifold their reserves in last 10 years. In addition to the reserves, they have consistently expanded their manufacturing facility. So fixed asset as on September 2021 stands at 700 crore, and current capital work in progress stands at 52 crore, which is going to add in the fixed asset once the expansion project will be completed in near future. Now, as far as the cash flow is concerned, whatever the profit company is making, they are generating the cash from their operating activity. So all the cash it is generating are in positive if you can see the last 10 years. So as on March 2021, the cash from operating activity stands at 524 crore. Now, as far as the shareholding pattern is concerned, so promoter holds maximum number of share in the company, that is 75%. DII holds 3.13% as on December 2021. DII holds 11.42% and public holds 10.45%. So maximum number of share are in the strong hands of promoters, FII and DIIs. Public holds marginal 10.45%. Whirlpool India is a market leader as far as the home appliances is concerned. And recently their acquisition of Elica India will improve the net profit and the revenue of the company because now they have the diversified product portfolio and they will increase their market reach to maximum number of customer in India. So we have seen the financials of the company. So net profit has been reduced marginally in last 3-4 quarters, and we have seen the challenges because of which the net profit has been decreased, that is inflation, increase in the raw material prices, and the shortage of semiconductor, which is going to stabilize in near future. After stabilization of these challenges in near future, the net profit will again revamp and it will post a highest ever net profit in coming quarters. So fundamentally, there is nothing wrong in the business. Because of these challenges, the net profit has been marginally decreased. So although the fundamental and financials is good, the stock is available at a very good valuation because of the recent correction in the market. So let's analyze the technicals of Whirlpool India and see how much potential is available in Whirlpool India. So this is the chart of Whirlpool India, and currently Whirlpool India is trading at a price level of 1569, and it is currently trading at a very strong support point of this price level. Currently, the stock is available and trading at its 4-year-old price. So that is a very good valuation. Currently, the stock is available, and because of this only, there is a huge opportunity available in the Whirlpool India. So this stock was trading at the same price level in December 2017, and currently as on March 2022, the stock is trading at the same price level. So the stock has posted the all-time high price level of 2788, and because of the recent market correction, the stock has corrected by huge percentage, and it has corrected by almost 40% in last 3-4 months. So the first important point about the technicals is it is currently available at its 4-year-old price. The second important point is it has shown a huge correction of 43% in recent past, and the third point is it is trading below the 200-day moving average. Because of these technical chart patterns, the company is available at a very good valuation because the fundamental and the financials are great, but the stock is not showing the reflection of those fundamental and financial in the stock prices. So if we take the current price level up to the all-time high price level of 2788, there is a direct potential available of 75%. So that is a huge potential available in Whirlpool India, and this potential is available only because of the market correction in recent past. But this is not the only target which is available in Whirlpool India. There is a cup with handle pattern which has formed recently in Whirlpool India. This is the neckline of price level 2550, and Whirlpool India has formed a cup with handle pattern. So this is a huge cup, and this is one of the handle. And in October, because of the market correction, the stock prices has corrected, and now it is going to form a complex cup with handle pattern going forward. So if we take the depth of this cup up to the neckline and take the depth and put it on the neckline, we will get our second potential target of price level 3761. If we take the current price level up to the second potential target of 3761, there is a direct potential available of 136%. So again, both the target are the huge potential target which is currently available in Whirlpool India. So I would like to tell you one more important point here. So if you can see the volume of trades recently happening in Whirlpool India, because the stock is available at a very good valuation, there is a huge volume of trade which has recently happened. If you can see these big green candle in March, in December 2021, in November 2021, in June 2021, and in May 2021. So in last 4-5 months, many retail traders and operators had increased their stakes in Whirlpool India because they know the fundamentals and the financials are great, and the stock is available and corrected by huge percentage, which is giving us the opportunity to invest in Whirlpool India. As the summers are started in India, people are going to buy these home appliances like AC and cooler and refrigerators going forward, and because of that the revenue is going to increase in coming quarters. And only because of the market correction, there is a huge potential available in Whirlpool India. And this huge correction in the stock has given us the opportunity to invest in Whirlpool India for a long period of time of 1 to 2 years. So let me repeat both the target once again. So the first potential target available in Whirlpool India is 2788 with a potential gain of 75%. The second target is price level 3761 with a potential gain of 136%. I am a buyer and investor in Whirlpool India, and I have discussed the reason because of which I am a buyer. So the fundamental and the financials are great, but the stock is available at a very good valuation, and which is giving me the opportunity to invest in Whirlpool India for a long period of time. But when I am saying I am a buyer and investor in this company, this is not a buying or selling recommendation. So before investing in the stock market or any particular stock, kindly do your due diligence or consult your financial advisor. So I hope you have learned something out of this video. So please like this video so that it will reach to maximum, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.